In September 1964, Porsche AG from Stuttgart, Germany, introduced the Porsche 911. As a two-door, 2x2 rear-engine car, it has a flat 6 rear-mounting motor and a torsional suspension bar. Private and factory teams in various classes raced the 911 extensively. It's one of the most competitive cars. The Porsche 911 has retained the essential elements to make it an icon, from its flat 6-rear mount to its otherworldly handling. Its familiar ring lighting, Coke bottling, and sloping rump make it almost impossible for any other sports car to mistake a 911. Step into the ideal driver's seat, fire up your solid and particular engine, and take advantage of either of its fantastic transmissions. The iconic 2x2 seaters from Porsche will then overload your input from its telepathic steering and efficiency attributes. And now we're going to discuss the Porsche 911 in this video review. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so that you can sign up to watch video clips to enhance your knowledge. Pricing and which one to buy. We can confidently suggest the Carrera 4S based on our experience with several versions. This edition has 64 more horsepower networks than the regular Carrera, and either the manual transmission or the Snapper PDK double buckle automatically will be pleasing for us. If you want to have fun with your 911 all year around, you can love the 4S all-wheel drive system, but you have to contend with the icy winter weather conditions. Sadly, it is a big upload and doesn't carry any broader rear fenders on all models. Porsche has an a la carte approach to choices, which is both a blessing and a curse, since it enables a great deal of personalization and swells the already rich end. We will spring for the Chrono Sport Kit, including launch power, additional drive models, and more. In addition to providing supportive front buckets, the Kit Sport adds desirable hardware, particularly a reduced suspension and a more loud exhaust system. Passenger and boot space. The driver's seat is sliding along behind, and the front of the 911 has a good headroom, even for large adults. The center console, which closes the passenger's driveway, is enormous, but it is padded so that your left knee can rest against it. The inclined 911 roof and the narrow rear knee room makes its back seats only suitable for children and very young adults, and only for short distances. You're better off throwing hats, bags, and other odds and ends back there. The back seats are divided and folded flat so that you can take extraordinarily long loads with no hassle. A carry case, a soft weekend stand, or a few shopping carts may be stored in the principal area of the luggage, which is in the nose of the vehicle. This is better than nothing, but in sports cars like the Jaguar F-Type Coupe and Mercedes AMG GT, you get more room for your boots. Engine, transmission, and performance. A twin-turbo 3.0-liter flat 6-cylinder engine is mounted at the back of the 911 Carrera. The S model is 443 horsepower with 390 pounds per foot of torque, and has a power of 379 horsepower. While all Carreras have an 8-speed automatic transmission with insane quick switching, a sweet 7-speed S manual is given. Standard versions of both the base and S with a rear drive are given, but they can be equipped with an all-wheel drive for 4 seasons of high-performance driving. We tested the Carrera based on several more powerful Carrera S versions, which demonstrated their performance on the track in adverse weather conditions and their incredible motor traction. Every 911 has impressive acceleration, particularly when excellent launch control is used, regardless of application. The optional sports exhaust system from Porsche also contributes to the experience with a complete motor note. Fuel economy and real-world miles per gallon. In comparison with previous ones, EPA forecasts for the 992 generations fell drastically. We're going to start automatically. All 911 Carrera, and Carrera S drives are classified at 18 miles per gallon in town and 24 miles per gallon on the highway, including the convertible. Step up to the stronger Carrera 4S with 18 in the city and 23 on the highway. A single mile per gallon lower for the city and higher for motorway manual transmissions variants. A Carrera S with automatic system arranged 30 miles per gallon in our 200-mile highway, simulating the actual fuel economy, which exceeds its present lower EPA rating of an impressive 6 miles per gallon, but is roughly the same as the previous 911 generation. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The 911, with its many switches, buttons, and touchscreen controls, the first time, and big center cup holder continues to look sophisticated rather than complex. The gauge cluster also deviates from its history and uses more optical analog instruments. although the central tachometer also uses a physical needle that goes following the engine's revs towards its heavenly 7,500 RPM rear line. These displays require some user expertise and could also be blocked by the steering wheel. Infotainment and connectivity. Each 911 has a 10.9-inch touchscreen in the center of the dashboard. The center screen also features rotary push-button controls on the console, in addition to spokes and steering wheel keys. A Wi-Fi hotspot and Apple CarPlay wireless are supported in the infotainment system. But Android Auto is not available. Porsche offers 2 top-level surround sound systems with a Bose unit of 12 speakers and the Burmester stereo of 13 speakers. Safety and driver assistance features. No crash checked by the NHTSA or the Institute of Highway Safety, ISHS, was recorded for 2021 911 IIHS. Porsche offers several driver support systems such as automatic beams, blind spot surveillance, and even vision at night, standard forwards collision warning and automatic emergency braking, available lane departure alert and lane maintenance assist, and available adaptive cruise control are essential safety features. Warranty and maintenance coverage. The warranty coverage of Porsche is typical for the market, with free range of the first maintenance visit. However, rivals like the Jaguar F-Type give more excellent value as they cover up to 5 years of maintenance. Thank you very much for watching, share a review, and remember to subscribe to get my next video.